Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to add a video pop-up to your website. So let's start. So for creating our video pop-up, all we need to do is to go to the pop-up box plugin, then click on the Add New button. After that, we'll need to choose the video pop-up type, then click on the template to start creating our pop-up. Here is our dashboard. Do not forget to enable the pop-up, otherwise it will not be displayed on your website. Here we can also write the pop-up typo. Let it be here video pop-up. Now it's time for us to insert the video into the pop-up itself. For that, we'll need to click on the Add Video button, then choose the video and upload it. Now, as you can see, our video is already uploaded. Here we have pop-up triggers on page load, on click, exit intent, or on both. Also, we'll be able to choose the pop-up position, so the place where we want the pop-up to be displayed in our website. Also, you can write the pop-up margin in pixels. Now let's move to the Settings tab. On the Settings tabs, we have a lot of functions that may be useful for us for creating an engaging pop-up. For example, we can choose the open delay for pop-up opening or pop-up closing, and many more other options. For example, we can choose to close the pop-up by clicking outside the box, or also hide timer, and so on. Also, here we can see we have advanced settings section. Also, here we can write the pop-up name. Again, let's write video pop-up. Choose the category in which we want the pop-up to be in, or enable overlay. Now let's move to the styles tab, the most interesting one. Here we can choose the pop-up dimensions, content style, like font style, text color, or opening and closing effects, background style, border style, button style, etc. And also write custom CSS. On the limitation users tab, we can add some limitations for the users. For example, limit by country, so that our pop-up will not be displayed on a specific country, or display for guests on tickets, so that our pop-up will not be displayed for them. But video pop-up type is not the only way to add a video pop-up to your website. You can also make use of the iframe pop-up type as well. So let's create one together. For adding an iframe pop-up to our website, we'll need to choose the iframe pop-up type, then choose appropriate template for us, and continue creating our pop-up. Again, enable the pop-up. Then for adding the iframe, here we can see we have iframe embed code field. We'll need to go to YouTube and embed the link. Then copy the link for adding it to our pop-up, then paste it here. So now here we can also write pop-up description. For example, as the video is about Google Map pop-up, we can write Google Map pop-up. Also, again, as remembered, we have pop-up triggers here. We can choose, for example, on click trigger here. Now, all we need to do is to click on Save button, and that's it. Our iframe pop-up is already created. So now you already know how to add video pop-ups to your website with two possible variants. I hope you like this video. See you soon!